Hi, we are looking at basically the rate of reaction from the graph, how to calculate rate of reaction from the graph. So typically you'll be given this curve, okay, this will be given in the exam. And you need to find out the rate of reaction at the different times. For example, let's say this is some t1 time, okay, some seconds, maybe this is t2 and so forth. Okay, this is let's say T3. So how to find out the rate of reaction at that given time, and what we call this as instantaneous rate. Instantaneous rate of reaction. Okay. So what you need to do? You need to draw a tangent at that given point. So this is what is the tangent. Let's say this is a T2. I'm drawing a tangent. Okay. This is the tangent. Or let's say at this is the tangent. Okay. So this tangent gradient, okay, the gradient of this tangent will give you the instantaneous rate of reaction. Instantaneous means at that given instance. Okay. So let's pick up this. Let's say assume this is some t, and you have drawn the tangent. Okay. Assume that this is the tangent. Okay. So how to calculate? So what you will do, you need to find out the gradient, and you people are quite expert in that. Okay, so how to look at it? It's very simple. You will complete the right angle triangle. Okay, so assume this is A, this is B, and this is C. So how to calculate the gradient? So gradient is equal to, okay, BC, whatever is the distance BC upon AC. Okay, that is how we calculate y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. You have learned in basically in geometry. So very simple concept. And what this gradient will give? This gradient is representing the instantaneous. This gradient is giving you instantaneous. So at that instance, you can calculate. So you can calculate for that matter anywhere in the graph, any point. Now, what should be the another observation? Very important observation that you must have quite smart enough to understand that initial rate, because this tangent appears to be almost vertical, and this tangent is having the highest gradient. Okay, that is the initial. So what does it indicate? It means that always initial rate of reaction is always highest. Initial rate of reaction is always maximum. This you should never forget. And that comes out clearly from this graph. As the time progresses, the gradient of the tangent keeps on decreasing. It means the rate of reaction starts falling. Very simple concept. Okay. Hope this is clear to you.